I'm about to go into my favorite little pit stop, Savers. Savers is great if you're looking for housewares. Certain things I almost always like to buy secondhand. Housewares, candlesticks, candles, coffee mugs, any fabric that can be washed, like a blanket or a pillow cover, pillowcases, linens. I look for vintage. I know a lot of people like more modern or clean farmhouse, but you know I love my mid-century modern boho vintage. So these are things that I just can't find at the home goods store or you know, a Target or something. I like those places too, but it's good to sprinkle the vintage stuff throughout the house. So let's see what we can find today. I always check out the artwork. My goal is to find crewel. It's kind of neat. What? Well, I ended up getting this little, I guess it's just an embroidered mirror. I don't know if you consider that crewel, but I like little birds. We'll see. If I don't find a spot, I could sell it. And these vintage curtains, maybe put them in the living room or my kitchen. I gotta clean them though, they feel dusty. That's it, 10 bucks. Got this little candle holder and a couple of vintage pillowcases. $4. Here's a little peek at what it looks like up in my living room. There are the curtains and the little butterfly tchotchke. That's Starburst clock. That was thrifted, I think, from eBay. And that picture there, that print, was also from a thrift store. So I like to, you know, mix in the vintage with the new to give it sort of a unique look. So there it is. That was one day of thrifting. I'm sure I'll have more thrifting videos to come in the future. I go every week. Thank you so much for watching, and please write a comment, like the video, and subscribe. Boho Mod Blog. Thanks.